ninjas, how are you guys doing? It's Ogo. I'm Nish Bajolo, aka Miss Fear for coming back for our entertainment. If it's your first time joining me, you're most definitely welcome. Please do make sure that you subscribe and obviously hit the bell. I absolutely love you. I'm so sorry, ninjas. Please follow me on Instagram. On Twitter as well. It's at Boldlow. Now, my ninjas, today we've got some great news for Faith Nketsi. You guys know I barely talk about her. But I felt this was big, hey? She recently celebrated her anniversary with her boyfriend, and her boyfriend decided to surprise her with a brand new Range Rover Shbobo, like Range Rover style. So I'm gonna go ahead and post the video right here, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary. But of course, I'll kill the background music because we don't like working for free on this channel. We also wanna drive a Range Rover one day. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. Now, ninjas, of course, that's something that is really great. Congratulations to Faith Nketsi. Girl, you're still dating this guy and he's buying a Range Rover. I almost wanted to ask, like, how do you do it? And then I look at Faith Nketzi's body and I'm just like, I guess that's how you do it. Muga is very, very beautiful, you guys. Faith Nketsi is very gorgeous. She claims that she has never gone under the knife for that body, which would be very impressive if that is the truth. Another thing again about her body is that even if she went and got a doctor, she got a doctor that knows the story. Honestly, I don't even want to lie. Like, her body looks natural, but still, just, it's like a wonder. It's like, girl, how do you get that stomach to be this small and that booty to be this big? Like, those kind of stuff. But she's very beautiful, you guys, obviously. Now, the fact that her boyfriend bought her the Range Rover, a lot of men on Twitter are not happy about it. There was another guy that was like, he can never buy a girl a Range Rover that had that track record. And someone digged up his old tweet and asked, is this you? And in that tweet, he had said, Sabawell, EKFC, le 59 rands 99. Now, we don't Sabawell things like that. We buy them and we eat them. And I guess that's why we are here with no Range Rovers, because we'll be eating everything. No, I'm kidding, guys. Of course, like, I'm a plus size woman and I'm okay. That was just a joke before, some people feel like I can't come for the plus size. I'm also plus size. But anyway, ninjas, here's another thing, Shbubu. Seems like Twitter found Umugai. Okay, now I'm sorry guys, we got cut off, but it does seem like, you guys, Twitter might have found Faith Nketsi's boyfriend. And so the boyfriend that they're alleging is him is this Mr. N underscore Njilo. And so of course, you guys know, I had to go out there and start snooping, because this is what Mr. Tapelo Ivan said. Faith Nketsi's rich Ben 10. He the new Sam Holdings, owning trucks for business. Big up young man for shaking internet by buying a GF, a million rand car, Range Rover. But of course, when he said it the way that he said, I felt like there was just sarcastic, like there was sarcasm in there. I don't know. Is it just me? Am I just reading this from a point of... But I felt that was a bit sarcastic. But of course, I had to go and check his Instagram page, which, yes, I did get Shbubu. And his Instagram page only has like 29.8 thousand followers. From those followers, Shbubu, the likes of Babes Wodumo follows him, Miss Lerato M follows him, Tuli Pongolo follows him. And so I was like, okay. Now, of course, in the video, where Faith is hugging him, his face is not shown. But if you look at the body structure, they do look very much similar. So maybe it is him. I really have no clue. First of all, you guys, and I'm still going to talk about this. I'm legit going to talk about this. I saw this other guy who is gay, right? Not a gay, who is gay, on TikTok, and he was saying that South African men are the queens of the bare minimum, or the queens of doing bare minimum. And if you go to Twitter and you see the amount of men that are outraged, and you can just see that this man, yes, at this moment, I'm sure he can afford to buy you a loaf of bread, which I guess he ain't even buying you that loaf of bread because that's taking it too far. But if this person even got money, like, would he even, why are our men so stingy, Binkos? Majority of our men. If you find like a woman, and I'm still going to talk about this, you guys, because I feel like this needs an in-depth conversation that we have as women. Because honestly, you guys, like, it's just honestly like crazy. Most of the times, like, if you look at like, especially like if you look at Nigerian blogs, you look at American blogs, you will see like they post like, this man just bought his wife a $500,000 car, or not even that, like, this buy extravagant cars, you guys, Range Rovers and stuff in Nigeria to give to your girlfriend. It's like a norm. If your man has money, trust me, like, you are going to enjoy, even when you're still a girlfriend, and then they marry you, and then like they spoil you even more. Americans don't even really post about it in their blogs anymore, because like that's just like, it's just like a way of life. Oh, your man bought you a Range Rover. Yeah, why do we have to talk about it? Like, it is what it's supposed to be. Like, your woman is supposed to live soft life. If you go to Dubai, if you look at how Dubai men spoil their women, if you come to South Africa, hey. If your man even like buys you a wig, she's a slay queen, she doesn't want to work, hey, this. Why are our men so stingy? Like, why? To a point where even when they see another man, I don't know if this guy is South African or not, but when they see a man actually spoil his woman, they even get upset about it. To a point where their fingers itch. And they have to talk about it, because to them it's like a taboo. It's so what. Now, of course, after that, we do have to talk about him. Do I think the Hawks are watching? Yes, I feel like they've already been alerted. And that guy that basically put out his picture, I mean, that is, if that's him, as I'm saying, it's alleged. And then he's like, yeah, you bought a woman R1 million car, what, shook the internet. I feel like that was just him trying to have people know the guy, so that the Hawks can basically get word fast and they arrest him fast. Honestly, I don't know why we're like this in South Africa. I don't know why every black successful man has to be investigated. And yes, it has proven that at most times when they investigate them, they find that there are certain things that did not go proper. And there's a reason why most of them, like this guy has this account on private. There's a reason why they choose to basically say, like, they're not gonna show their faces on the internet and all that. They've got a reason, you guys. And so the same way that Sam Holdings was under the radar for years and years and years. This is that I knew his story a long time ago, and I was like, let me not talk about him because I know how the Hawks are. Now, he came out with 71 bad cars. They investigated him. They arrested that guy until he wrote a suicide note and ran away. They did not play. It's not funny, but it's live. So I hope that this Range Rover is not going to bring him any problems. And the fact that this guy tweeted and he was also like putting him in the same holding situation, you could have simply just said that he owns trucks. But congratulations to Faith Nketsi. I hope that this gift of yours just continues giving and it doesn't bring problems for your guy. And when I want you guys to go and comment down below what you guys think. Please, tell me, why do you think most South African men are stingy? Go ahead and comment down below, and do not forget to thumbs up this video and visit share, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, ninjas. Hey, Owamini Chwazaru here, and I have some great news. If you have a YouTube channel or a business and you would like to get some affordable advertisement, I offer those services. Follow the instructions on your screen right now and say hello to some new traffic. Now let's get back to the video.